So you believe in action and reaction?
Of course, life में क्या है? The way we are communicating right now, I'm just responding to what you're asking me.
But don't you think it's a male-dominated industry?
I would say here that films or web or television, it mirrors the society.
और
We as
उसकी
a
mostly
society.
film flop हो जाती हैं women driven ही ना.
Yeah, so you said it.
Today's generation, they just don't want to enter the kitchen.
Make it a life skill. Teach it to your all your kids, not just girls.
Since she said that she doesn't like and she doesn't prefer relishing Maggie for health issues, let's immediately ask her fitness mantra.
My fitness mantra is
Making her skin shine like stars. So you're single,
yes.
not looking to mingle.
Whenever the time comes, whenever the right person comes.
That's a
definitely.
political answer. आज ही से शायद शुरू हुई है प्रकाश झा प्रोडक्शन की संकल्प.
Yes.
और ये संकल्प में क्या संकल्प ले रही है, इन्हीं से जानते हैं इनके बारे में. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद संकल्प एंड देन यू कैन गिव अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी अबाउट योर जर्नी.
तो मेरा नाम है रूप और संकल्प में माधुरी का कैरेक्टर निभाने का संकल्प लिया है मैंने. आई होप आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा. और संकल्प लिया कि नाना सर का कैरेक्टर और जीशान के कैरेक्टर के बीच में हमेशा एक ग्लू की तरह काम करूं, उन दोनों को एक दूसरे से जोड़ के रखूं. और जो जीशान का जो कैरेक्टर है मेरे हस्बैंड का, उनको हमेशा सपोर्ट करते रहूं.
Okay. So have you seen the series? I have not seen, so I'm
Haan,
asking you first episode.
It has just released and I managed to watch the first episode, and which fortunately begins with my and Nana sir's shot.
क्या बात है.
So yeah, I could manage to watch the first episode.
And I was just before coming to talk to her, to have a rendezvous with her, I just met her co-producer Disha.
Producer.
Yeah, Prakash Jha. And she's all praises for her Sankalp. And she has taken a Sankalp and she keeps competition with the वो बाबा वाला कौन सा उनके पापा का आ रहा है, आश्रम. आश्रम को टशन देना चाहती है. आप क्या कहेंगे?
Well, Disha
And
is
it's good. You have to compete with yourself and your peers. And she's directly competing with her father, Prakash Jha.
Disha is a very sweet producer and she has done a fabulous job.
She gave you all the money?
Of course. Of course, very good producer, and it's a great thing to hear that the direct competition is happening between Ashram and Sankalp. Let's
In
see.
her mind and heart. And she's keeping her fingers crossed, she says.
With her. Let's see, and we are looking forward to everyone's response, and we are yet to watch. I don't know, सबने तो, मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो मैंने तो नहीं देख पाई हूँ, but I'm sure बाकी सबने देख ही लिया होगा अब तक तो. So let's see.
Okay. So, nowadays there is no barrier like, television serial artists, commercial artists can also get roles in films thanks to OTT.
Well, yes, the barrier, I think it's धीरे धीरे जा रहा है. And there are good times कि we are able to explore good roles in all mediums, because it's just a matter of medium after all. Story is a story.
Story is a story.
Just the way of telling it differs in television, in web space, in films. So an actor is also an actor. आपको अपनी टेक्निक चेंज करनी पड़ती है, आपको अपना तरीका में थोड़ा फेरबदल करना पड़ता है. बाकी आप एक्टिंग ही है, कोई मीडियम चाहे कोई भी हो, it's just acting.
Why did you take so much of time to debut into films? Thankfully, it is Prakash Jha's production house. How did it all happen? How did it go about?
I wouldn't say that I took time. I really believe that everything happens in its own time. ये हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम एक इतने टाइम फ्रेम में ये करेंगे, होता वही है जो होना होता है,
मंजूर
और
खुदा होता है।
यस, और जैसे होना होता है वैसे
Yes,
ही
sir.
होता है. So I'm sure that this was the way it was supposed to happen, and shouldn't I be fortunate that I got to debut with
Yes.
Prakash Jha sir's
Yeah.
web series.
And
So
the opening scene with Nana Patekar.
yes,
How was
very
Nana
fortunate.
Patekar? He's such a cool
Very
guy.
fatherly and very like a guardian.
What
He was
was his
taking care of.
first this thing? Your reaction, and what did he say when he met you and he did this scene with you? The opening scene, that is.
No, जो telecast, the
उसी
telecast,
की बात
that
करें,
is
उसी
that
scene
is a
की.
different scene.
अच्छा.
That's a different scene. The first scene that I shot with him was only two of us, and अभी मैं आपको ज़्यादा I can't reveal, but
हाँ.
it was a very intense emotional scene, and the kind of energy as a co-actor he gives you, it's fabulous, because आपको जो energy अपने co-actor से आती है, you reciprocate it.
And he is master,
He's
in his own profession.
he's a legend.
He's a legend. What did you learn from his dialogue delivery, and what mannerisms did you imbibe from Nana Patekar?
I will say that as an actor, your biggest job is to observe and experience
Yes.
life, people, and baki imbibing those things as and when it's required, it comes naturally.
Naturally,
So,
automatically.
just observing him enact his scenes, do his lines, it was like learning in an institution.
Yeah,
You know?
he's an institution in
Yeah.
himself.
I learned that the subtlety of performance,
Yeah.
the importance of silence. The generally we feel that if the dialogues are heavy, the performance must be heavy. But then there is a certain level of intensity in quietude also that I saw in his dialogue delivery. The intensity increases with that silence if you're a good actor. That subtlety of his performance was fabulous to watch.
So you believe in action and reaction?
Of course, life में क्या है? The way we are communicating right now, I'm just responding to what you're asking me. So acting is also the same. You experience something, you bring it to your performance, and you behave as per the how the energy that you are given. You reciprocate that energy back.
You're debuting as a lead role in
Well,
Sankalp?
when you have legends like Nana Patekar, how can you call yourself a lead?
Yeah. But
And
don't you think it's a male dominated industry and the subject is totally a male driven content?
I would say here that films or web or television, it mirrors the society.
Yeah, of course. Yes.
We are showing what is actually happening in the society, right? And I would just say that जैसा है वैसा दिख रहा है आपको, and we probably require more women to come forward in politics then. And the other question was,
I mean, it's a male dominated industry and the content is always male. Female dominated content नहीं चलते. अभी देखो ना तापसी के कितने वो फ्लॉप हो गई फिल्म, और
we as
उसकी
a
मोस्टली
society,
फिल्म फ्लॉप हो जाती है वुमेन ड्रिवन,
I
चाहे
would
विद्या
just,
बालन की हो चाहे कुछ, लोग हीरोइज्म ही देखना चाहते हैं.
yeah, so you said it. It depends on the audience. It also depends on how evolved are you as a society.
Society.
So our society is in that process of getting evolved. हम जा रहे हैं उस तरफ, and any change requires time. This is a huge change that we are talking about here. Women uh, in 2026 have come a very long way to
Right,
even
sir.
reach the space that we are in today.
Today we
इसमें
have
भी
a
बहुत
say.
time लगा है.
We have a say.
We have a say. So the kind of change that we are expecting in terms of films and web space or showbiz as a whole, that will also take time. But we are coming. ऐसा नहीं है, yeah, ऐसा नहीं है कि it's still बिल्कुल balanced ही नहीं है. No. जा रहे हैं हम उस तरफ, और उसके लिए lot of effort as a society is also required. isn't the world itself male dominated? Let's just accept the facts. So, but should we focus on who's dominating the world, who's dominating which field, or should we just see how long, what a way we have come to? We have come a long way.
Where we have reached.
Where we have reached from those times when women were burnt for dowry. I know that it's even today at some places it does happen, but there was a time when women were burnt along with their husbands' bodies. You know, a lot of atrocity women had to
Had
face.
to face.
From those days to this, where today we are speaking on this platform, and women are achievers in every field.
Every field, and
So-
now after the death of the husband, it's not necessarily that you have to wear a white sari only.
Yeah, so
You
we
can wear
have,
colorful saris. Look at Hema Malini. She's a working woman. What do you have to say? She's wearing a colorful sari because she is an achiever. She has to go to events, you know.
I think that whether or not uh, you are an achiever, whether or not you are in showbiz, you're a human first, and you should not be identified because of your
Husband.
anyone around you.
Yeah.
You are an individual first. It's your individuality which should talk. It should not be affected by things happening around you which are natural.
Yeah.
You know, we are born, someday we die. It's a natural course of life. That doesn't affect how nature is going on. It doesn't affect anything at all in the bigger scheme of things.
Right.
So that is how it should be looked at, not as, of course, a loss is a loss. It has to be grieved. But then you always have to look at the bigger picture that a woman's life is not revolving around one role. She is complete in her own self.
A wife, career oriented,
But,
a mother.
but she's a human first.
Yes.
She's a mother next. She's a wife next. I mean, all these are the roles after your individuality is already there. You know, first of all, your duty is towards yourself.
Ah.
If you can't take care of yourself, if you are not able to be at peace, be at happiness with your own self, you cannot really make other people happy. Somewhere you will be,
Exactly.
upset or frustrated. So, I don't think any role defines a woman today.
Yeah, exactly. You said no role will define a woman. Having said that, that you should have me time. You should have your individuality, you know. But at the same time, today's generation, they just don't want to enter the kitchen.
Guilty as charged.
Because you know, I've seen girls, oh, I don't know to make even chai. ये क्या बात है भाई, आज तो शेफ भी लड़के हो रहे, you know. It's good that they want to distribute the work between the husband and the wife, but don't you think a woman is becoming too, I mean, individualistic is becoming too dominating her in her. They don't want to take care of, they're more into, you know, career. During our times, even now, we are career oriented, we balance it. What do you have to say about it? About, especially about Gen Z? You must be millennium. Between.
I would say that this thing has been ingrained in women since so long that because you're a woman, you have to know cooking. Because you're a woman, you have to be caring and protective. This is
No,
why.
it is by birth. It's by, we are more empathetic towards relationships.
So,
You know,
yes.
a woman is born with loads of emotions, but that emotion is dying
No,
in today's.
no,
You know,
I don't
that is
think
why
so.
marriages are flopping right, center, and left.
Well,
Divorces are flourishing.
I'll come to that. First, I will finish this
Okay,
one.
okay.
That this has been ingrained into women since so long, and because of which they were not able to excel in anything beyond kitchen, beyond the personal relationships that they had to take care of. Uski wajah se, what I feel, this is my personal
Yeah,
opinion.
yeah.
Uski wajah se the kind of rebellious attitude has come. Ki, are you telling someone to know cooking a girl to know cooking because she's a girl, or you are telling her to know cooking because it's a life skill. So the difference lies there.
Yeah.
If
You can't
I
trust upon.
yeah, I feel that
अंदर से आना चाहिए.
यस, अंदर से भी आना चाहिए, प्लस वो हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन आई फील दैट पेरेंटिंग हैज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन दिस, दैट
Yeah.
इफ यू हैव टू टीच योर किड्स life skills, or if you want to teach your girls cooking, you know, there is a lot of difference in this. If you tell your kids that cooking is a life skill, being empathetic towards your uh, family is important, relationships are important, because you are a human and human beings are social creatures.
हाँ.
That is how you survive. If you are telling this, I don't think any girl will develop this dislike towards cooking. If you tell women that your place is in kitchen, if you tell a woman that you have to learn cooking because you are a woman, any girl in today's era will feel rebellious that why can't I move beyond kitchen? Why can't a man learn cooking? So
Men are
it's in the
also
way
doing,
you say.
yeah.
It's in the way you say.
Yeah, but it should be not inculcated. What you are saying that it should not be inculcated. I agree with it, but it should come from within, because in today's time even we are having male chefs. Most of the kitchen in five-star hotel is dominated by male chef. It should come from within. What I feel that thing is missing in women. You know.
It's because I told you what I
Ah.
feel is that it's missing because you have suddenly put women in a different. They are rebelling.
Yeah,
You know,
they're
it's
rebelling. Yeah.
आपने आज तक उन्हें किचन तक लिमिटेड रखा है. All of a sudden they are getting opportunities and realizing that we are equally good as
Yeah.
men. So why were we not given these opportunities?
Exactly.
So now we will not do those things.
What about
Because,
you?
Um, I already have said that guilty as charged. I have tried. I will not deny that I have tried to.
आजकल तो YouTube में भी है, देख के बनाओ.
But then I have felt that naturally I'm not inclined
हाँ,
towards
that is
cooking.
what it right word is, inclination.
Yeah, inclination. But this is not applicable on everyone,
Everyone.
because sometimes even without inclination, you learn it as a life skill. And I
Yeah.
tried to learn it as a life skill, and I think I can make enough to survive. Like, and I can definitely make a sandwich to myself.
Maggie.
And Maggie, I don't eat.
Don't eat.
I'm
It's
all
not
for
good. Good
healthy
yes,
food
yeah.
items.
Yeah.
So I can definitely make an omelette, scrambled egg wale items I can make.
Yeah.
So survival cooking I know. And but I'm definitely not propagating that people should not learn cooking.
Yes.
I just say that do not attach it to a gender. Do not attach it to a woman specifically that it's a woman's job, because that
Right.
will definitely make them more rebellious.
More. Yes, you're
Make
right.
make
Right.
it like a life skill. Teach your sons also, because women, if they are equally good at doing other things, why is this skill specifically limited to women? And then women all across the generations will agree that they haven't got enough due for being homemakers. They have how they have been treated, how they have been put down for not doing any work outside the house. Though making a home is such an important
thing.
task.
Very
So how many
important.
women
You
have got
to
this due?
balance, yes. You have to
So
balance the
obviously-
career in that.
So naturally, a girl who has seen a woman, not her mother, not getting mother, or other women in their families, if they have seen that they have not got their due as homemakers, they will naturally drift towards other things
Other
and will
things, yeah.
start detesting the houseworks, because सबको appreciation चाहिए.
Exactly, yeah.
We live for appreciation at times, that we want to be
You get a
appreciated.
boost.
Yeah. तो अगर आपको हमेशा ये सुनने को मिलेगा कि she doesn't do anything, she's a housewife, how does it seem like?
Yeah.
That is the reason. आप उस काम को डिमीन करो ही मत.
Demean.
आप उसको जेंडर से एसोसिएट मत करो.
Exactly.
Make it a life skill. Teach it to your all your kids, not just girls. Do not tell the girls that तुम्हें खाना बनाना इसलिए सीखना चाहिए क्योंकि तुम एक लड़की हो.
Tell your boys
खाना
also.
तुम्हें खाना बनाना इसलिए आना चाहिए क्योंकि वो एक लाइफ स्किल है, and it's equally important
Exactly.
for a male and a female.
Okay, since she said that she doesn't like and she doesn't prefer relishing Maggie, for health issues. Let's immediately ask her fitness mantra.
My fitness mantra is healthy eating, healthy.
What exactly healthy stuff do you eat?
Anything which is made at home is usually हमारे kitchen में जो भी ingredients होते हैं सब healthy ही होते हैं. As long as something is not packaged, it's healthy. I
Yeah.
like to incorporate lots of fruits and veggies in my
Veggies.
diet.
Yeah.
Green leafy vegetables, carrots, and cucumber, mushrooms, sprouts. These are a part
Wow.
of my food list.
Very good. So sprouts are making her skin shine like stars. What is your skincare mantra?
Being happy, first of all, being happy, being calm, and I'm a big advocate of yoga. Yoga practices, not just asanas and pranayam overall.
Mhm.
And yoga practices, being happy, meditation, of course, and workout is very important.
Do you go to gym or you work
I-
out at home?
I do all of it. Like I
Pilates and all.
Pilates,
What do you do?
I go to the gym mostly, and I do home workouts also, yoga specifically,
Mhm.
and I love going for long walks.
Ah, that is good.
After meals also, it's very good to
Go
walk
for-
for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Even that's enough. It's very good for digestion.
Okay, being in the glitz and glamour world, she's looking so pretty with her accessories. So, what are her favorite accessories? Just now you're wearing such pretty, delicate accessories. You can show the accessories and talk about them.
Well, honestly speaking, I have started developing a liking for accessories only recently.
Oh.
I'm generally, very basic and simple in my real life. Like, I don't even like to wear makeup. Just kajal and lipstick are enough for me.
You don't need makeup.
Thank you so much.
Are you Punjabi or Kashmiri?
I'm a Pahadi. I'm from
Pahari
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. हाँ,
Yeah.
मुझे लग गया था.
Yes, thank you. So I'm very basic accessories I like, but if it's looking pretty, then I'm definitely attracted towards pretty things. And
The heart has been
heart-
gifted to by you.
yeah,
Who
from
gifted
myself.
you? Oh,
it's
she
a
gifted
gift
herself.
from
So
myself
sad.
to my, yeah, yeah. I'm manifesting someone to gift
Oh
to
God.
me.
Yet not met him?
No.
Oh, why? Such a pretty girl. Now, don't lie
Thank
that you
you.
didn't come across anybody. You must
We'll
have
talk
had your
about-
share. You must have had your fair share. Let's talk now.
I think my goals in life are I'm very set on my goals, and right now
Very good.
my goal is Sankalp. Sankalp is my goal, and my goal is Sankalp. And
नहीं तो real life का संकल्प बोलो ना.
real life का संकल्प भी यही है कि I have to keep growing in my life as a person, as a human, as an actor, and I'm sure that in time everything happens, and when my time
Yeah.
comes, जो आप सवाल कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
उसको उसका
Single?
जवाब देने का टाइम भी आ
So
जाएगा.
you are single,
Yes.
not looking to mingle.
Whenever the time comes, whenever the right person comes.
Such
definitely.
a political answer.
I think I'm sort of a diplomat.
She doesn't want to give away her secrets.
No, there's no secret at all. Like my life doesn't have too many secrets. I like to live my life with honesty, and so yeah, I'm single definitely.
So from television, you have shifted to. I mean, you got the opportunity on the film front, though starting with OTT. When are you venturing on for a silver screen? Have you got? You must have got opportunities.
I have just finished a film.
Yeah.
Just
Would
finished
you,
a film.
Would you like to
That-
say something about that film?
Well, it's an independent film by an independent filmmaker, and
नाम
I'm playing-
बोलो.
नाम अभी नहीं बोल सकते.
प्रोडक्शन हाउस का भी नहीं बोल
कुछ
सकते.
भी
कुछ नहीं अनाउंस हुआ.
या कुछ भी अनाउंस
डायरेक्टर तो बोलो.
राजा चैटर्जी has directed.
Raja Chatterjee, he was an actor, na?
No,
No.
he's an independent filmmaker.
Okay.
And-
Not from YRF also, no? नहीं.
No,
उसका नाम भी राजा है, रानी के भाई का.
okay, no. He must be another person,
Okay.
and I'm playing a village girl
Oh wow.
from Uttarakhand.
Village Lass.
Village lass, yes, definitely nicer word.
Huh.
And it's a very
Befitting
different-
role, huh?
Yes. I was not sure about it. Because I've played only urban roles
हाँ.
This role in Sankalp is also not very urban, but it's not a. She's a very educated and she's a IPS officer's wife, so it's not a village wala role also.
Yeah.
But in this film, I'm playing an absolute villager.
Village वाला.
So
दो
it's
चोटी
a-
डाली हुई.
No, do choti nahi, but
हाँ.
so that's you'll watch. You'll watch
Okay.
it.
The film is complete.
It's complete. The first cut has also. I mean, some people
Completed.
have
Seen it.
seen the
Rushes.
first cut. Yeah, I'm here, so I haven't seen it.
Post production work is also come. Who is
It's-
fitted opposite you? The male actor.
No, they have
Nobody.
not shown it. It's on a social issue actually.
Is it a full fledged film?
Yes, it's a full-fledged film, but
Female oriented.
female oriented.
Starting with a female oriented film. How much are you confident that you will pull the crowd into the theaters, bringing loads of money at the box office window? How much
I
you know
think,
about box office?
My knowledge about that is very limited, honestly, and that's exactly not my focus. My focus lies where.
Pivotal and good roles.
Yeah, my focus lies in doing my job, which is to make my audiences forget it's Roop playing her. I just want to I want them to remember the character.
Exactly.
That's my focus, that's my
Focus.
goal, and that's my job, and I like to focus on my job.
Job. Yeah,
So
that is
अपना काम
important.
किया, and rest you leave it in the hands of God, first of all,
Yeah.
and those who are the right people to do it, those who are producing, those who are जिनके हाथ में है, they will do. I have done my अपने हाथ का
The best.
काम I have done.
When is it releasing?
No idea.
No idea.
No idea.
It will release soon.
Yeah. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. So hereafter, what are you looking for? You've been working for television also.
Yeah, it's been many years.
Many years,
2012, I did my first show. It's been many years now.
What
I
was that show for my
Balika
audience?
Vadhu.
Balika Vadhu. Yes.
I started my journey as Sachi in Balika
Sanchi.
Vadhu,
Yes.
and now I'm starting my web journey as
Now
Madhuri.
Balika Vadhu has grown up.
Balika Vadhu.
Sachi grown up.
Sachi has grown up. Yeah, literally, I was a kid only back then,
Yeah.
and it's been a beautiful journey. And now I'm looking forward to
What's the
Madhuri.
title
of
of that film? Raja Wali.
the title. We are not.
It's not titled yet.
It was a working title, so
What was the working title?
they have told me not to say it anywhere.
Okay, doesn't matter. So how do you look after, I mean, what do you have to say about your hereafter your journey? You've got an open arm reception on the front, show, glitz and glamour world front. एक हस्ती हो आप, and it's not been easy journey, How do you look after your journey hereafter?
I think it's just going to be upwards and onwards after this, and I really look forward to working with good directors, producers, and
Actors.
being a part of good stories and playing layered characters with authenticity. I don't mind playing a flawed character as well, because that's who we are as humans. We are flawed, and certain times we feel that we talk a lot about perfection, but in real life nobody's perfect.
Perfect.
So I'm looking forward to those kind of characters which have that hint of authenticity, realism in them, and I look forward to a bright future, if I may say that.
All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Did anyone say you look like Pura Paschim ki Saira Banu?
Listen, my father tells me that.
Oh, so I'm like your mother, not from your this thing, but as per my age. See how I caught you. Oh, so lovely.
I will take that as a compliment. And
Yeah. The younger Pura Paschim wale ekdam mujhe yaad hai.
although I haven't seen the movie now, I'll have to watch
You
the
have to
movie.
see. I mean, in generally also. So you've not seen any film of Saira Banu? Who was your
I must have seen in
yesteryear favorite?
I like Sharmila Tagore,
Haan. Yes.
and I like Zeenat Aman, Parveen Babi, all these gorgeous women.
चलते चलते any message देना चाहोगे?
बस सबसे कहना चाहूँगी कि जितना प्यार आपने बालिका वधू की सांची को दिया, रूप को दिया, उतना ही प्यार, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा प्यार आप संकल्प की माधुरी को भी दीजिएगा. Watch the show and give all your love and blessings. Thank you so much.